Welcome back to Worthington Model Railway. I have to apologize. It's been a couple of months now since I posted anything. I've had a lot going on. I've been traveling a lot in my job, and unfortunately, life and work got in the way of model railways. But I'm back, and let's look at some of the things that have been going on since I last posted. Packages arrived while I've been away over the last couple of weeks, so going to open those up. So as you can see, a couple of packages from Rails. You can tell the Rails ones because they have the plastic bags around them, and the bottom one is from Hatton's. One of the Rails ones looks a bit bashed about, but we'll have to see as we open them what's going on. So today's video, we'll just sort of open them and look inside. I don't think I'm going to have time to look at the individual items, apart from a cursory look. But anyway, let's see what I got. This first Rails package, as I said, looks a little bit bashed around. I need to get a knife to get this open here. This first Rails package is a little bit bashed around. Let's get it open and see what's in here. Just a minute. Luckily, there looks to be plenty of bubble wrap in here, so I don't think this corner being bashed in will cause much of an issue. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so this is yet another one of the mainline Hunslets that I had on order. This is Linda in Railway Line Black. So I'll have another look at that in a second. It seems like that is all that's in this, which is not great. I wish they'd consolidate for shipping. Okay, let's open another one up. Okay, so in this one, we just have a Dapol Wharton wagon. It seems to be it in this one too. So again, a lot of box for not very much. And so an £8.50 wagon and £9 for shipping. Here's my Hatton's box, which definitely has more than one thing in it. We'll look and see what we have in this box. Okay, so first thing I spy are some more Metcalfe kits that I get to add some more cottages on the new extension on the layout. Here is the Rapido dynamometer car. This is the one in BR livery, so the post-1949 condition, which is realistically, when I model, I do have the earlier one in the LNER livery, but I wanted this one. These I had on order for a while. Some of the Acura scale, the Chaldrons. These are the Shildon built ones, but they're in the later livery. So look at those. I have one of the Small England Princesses in green. If you remember, I have the Prince and Princess in red, but I thought I'd get one of them in green. I wasn't going to push the boat out and get them both in green, but that'll be a nice addition. One of the Rapido Hunslets, and this one is Arthur, and it is also DCC sound fitted. So look at that one. And the last thing in here is a pack of Hatton's Genesis coaches. In the these are the ones in the GNR lined teak. Out of my era realistically, but still thought it'd be fun, and we'll look at these in comparison to the Hornby ones at some point too. So that's my haul. There is, I believe, one more package on the way from Rails. I got a notification that there was a package coming from Rails. So the other package arrived from Rails, and it's the Sonic models. A51, the XGCR 9N passenger tank locomotive. So I'm interested to see. I haven't purchased a Sonic model before, so let's have a quick look and see what we have in here. So that looks interesting. Looks to have some nice detail on it. So we'll take a better look at this one as well. And as you see, there's a fair bit of stuff here to work my way through, and I will putting some videos up in the next few days with some details on a number of these items that have arrived. So once again, apologize for not having posted in a few weeks. As you see, a number of things that have arrived, a lot of interesting items there, so I will definitely put some videos up in the next couple of weeks that will show a number of these items. I do actually have a video primarily ready to go with the Hunslets, so I'm going to be, the Quarry Hunslets that I got basically towards the end of February, so that will appear fairly soon. So thanks for watching, and please like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Subscribe button to the top right, another video to the top left.